What if I told you? You could save hundreds, maybe even thousands just by not spending money for 30 days. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I decided to take on the No Spend Challenge, and let me tell you, it wasn't easy. Could I survive an entire month without unnecessary spending? Stick around to find out. Before starting, I had to set some ground rules. Here's what counted as spending and what didn't. Basically, if I didn't need it to survive, I wasn't buying it. Easy, right? Wrong. The first week was hard. Everywhere I went, I was surrounded by temptation. I never realized how much I relied on takeout until I had to cook every meal at home. Repeat my usual morning Starbucks run, sob, and don't even get me started on online shopping. I almost caved so many times. By week 2, I had to get creative. Here's how I survived without spending a dime. I started making my own iced coffee at home. Turns out it's just as good and way cheaper. No Netflix? No problem. I rediscovered free things like library books, YouTube, and even free outdoor events. Instead of takeout, I started meal prepping. I saved so much money just by planning ahead. By the last week, I had a huge mindset shift. I started realizing how many things I used to buy out of habit, not necessity. Guess what? I saved $X in just 30 days. That's enough for a vacation, a new gadget, or even to invest. Why didn't I do this sooner? So after 30 days of no spending, would I do it again? At the end of the day, this challenge made me realize how much money I was wasting on things I didn't even need. And even though I won't live like this forever, I'll definitely be spending more intentionally from now on. What about you? Could you survive 30 days without spending money? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome challenges like this.